In this session, we will learn about categorical and numerical features. We will play with the Titanic train dataset that I have taken from kaggle.com, and we will find out the fields that are categorical, numerical, continuous, and discrete. So what we'll do, first we'll execute this two line of codes, import pandas and train.csv. Okay. Then what I will do, I'll give train.head, execute this. So from this line, we need to figure out which are the categorical columns and which are the, so we need to find out the categorical, numerical, continuous, and discrete. Now first of all, what is a categorical data? Categorical variable represent the types of data that may be divided into the groups. So in this case, if we can see sex column, it can be divided into male and female. Then we have what all columns. Again, for the survive column, the second column, this column, the ultimate the option will be either the person will survive, one value will be 1, and if it is not survive, the value will be 0. So yes or no kind of thing will be there. So if this will also come under categorical. Again, if we can see some more columns, like the name will not come in, age will not come, SibSp will not be there, because SibSp there will be more than multiple options is available. So is there any other options available into categories? Yeah, if you get the unique column of the unique values of the column embarked dot unique. So the unique values is S, C, and Q. S stand for we can get the information like S will stand for Southampton, Q stand for Queenstown, and C stand for Cherbourg. So it means that this value again we can divide into 3 groups. So this will also come under the categorical. The next that we'll discuss is the continuous data. Now, what is a continuous data? Continuous data is nothing but it's information that can be measured on a continuous scale. Like if you can say the height of a person, okay, or the salary of a person, there will be a huge values, infinite number of values between 5 feet height to 6 feet. So this will be a kind of it will not be like all the person in this world will be 5 foot and again all the person the remaining will be 6 feet, but we can have the options of 5 feet 1 inch 2 inch 3 inch, again 1.1 5 feet 1.1 1.2 1.3. These are the possibility which is there. So n number of possibilities are there between 5 feet and 6 feet. So in our case, age will come under the continuous, and again fair, if you see the fair, the value of this fair is continuous, like it is an decimal values, right? So it will come under continuous. Now we need to find the discrete. So what are the discrete variables? Discrete data is nothing but we can classify or categorize the information or the data that is available based on the counts available. Like in this case, SibSp, which is present here. SibSp, it means the number of siblings or spouses aboard the Titanic ship. And also Parch. Parch here means this column Parch. Parch here means the number of parents or children aboard the Titanic. Okay. So as per the information of the discrete means the integer values to be on a very low level definition, the integer values. So we can see the SibSp and Parch have this integer value, so we'll assign this. But again, you can see male and female also has integer value, but male and female will come under categorical because there will be option of either of these. Okay, but in case of SibSp or Parch, it will have several values. Like if you give train SibSp dot unique. Okay, so these are the different values for siblings which is available, which have boarded the ship. Again, similar will be the case for Parch. Now what is the column name of Parch? Which is capital P. Okay, in this case also several options is available. So will come under discrete. Now I am only left with one variable which is ordinal. So which field will come under ordinal data? Now first of all, ordinal data is a categorical or categorical data where variables have natural ordered categories and the distance between categories is not. So most probably now we are left with Pclass. So class will come under the ordinal data. So what is the options for P class? Okay, so you can see the definition says of ordinal data is a categorical or statistical data type where variable have natural ordered categories and the distance between categories not. So we have aggregated the data which is like the columns of this train data set into categorical, continuous, discrete and ordinal. Now what we will do, we will describe the distribution. We'll get the distribution for all the numerical features. So that we can get train.describe. So we can see for passenger ID, survive, P class, age, sibling, SP, Parch and pair. These are all the numerical features. For this we get the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, and again the maximum and all the quartile, interquartile, semi-interquartile, and upper quartile. Okay. Now, if you want to get a distribution of the categorical field, for that we have to give train.describe include is equals to 0. So you can see the count, and first also you can say train.info. You can see in train.info my name. Okay, like what are the object field here? Name, sex, ticket, Kevin, Embarked. So you can see name, sex, ticket, Kevin and Embarked as my object. So those will be displayed here. And again passenger ID also int float, that will be displayed here. Now if we want to display both the field, both the get the distribution for both the categorical as well as the numerical feature, then we'll give train dot this is, see, for the categorical features, first of all passenger ID is a numerical column. For this we'll have all the like count, mean, standard deviation, everything. For that unique top frequency will be NN. Again for the categorical columns, name and sex, all the values like mean, standard deviation, everything will be NN, but for that unique top frequency and mean, it will have some values. Starting with the analysis of a data set, first we need to analyze the data. We need to segregate the columns into categorical, continuous, discrete and ordinal. We need to find the distribution of the field, and then we need to start. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel. In case if you feel there is a scope for enhancement, please post in the comment section. Thank you.